If you have a Mavic wheel and you are trying to do this ratchet kit replacement in your free hub, but you don't know how to remove the free hub, I'm going to show you a little trick I learned. All you need is a bench vise. So I just take a cloth, fold it over a couple of times, and wrap it around the free hub, and then I turn this over and insert it into the vise. So got that in the vise, tighten it down just a little bit. Not too much, but just enough to grip it and keep it in the vise. All right, let's see if this works. I'm gonna do a quick hit with my hands on both sides of the wheel and see what happens. Voila, it's off. So there's one end of the ratchet in the hub. Here's the free hub body still in the vise, and then don't forget to keep track of where your spring ends up. Hopefully that helps you out. If it does, you know what to do. Thumbs up. Okay, for a bonus clip, how do you get the ratchet out? Well, I'm using my little 90-degree pick from Harbor Freight, and that fits just between the axle and the ratchet piece, and I just keep wedging it in there, moving it a tiny bit, turning, moving, turning, moving, and eventually it pulls out. So it wasn't that hard. I just had to be patient by going ever so slightly to avoid damaging the axle here. But just getting a little bit of grip underneath it, pulling it ever so slightly, rotating the wheel just to keep massaging it up. And you can see I successfully removed it. Yay!